Muhammad, come look. Look at this. It's amazing. So fluffy.
Mommy, can you teach us how to make this?
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, Aunt Squad.
Welcome to our channel with Muhammad and
Aya.
pumpkin season is finally here.
And what better way to start it off than by pumpkin whoopies? Remember the golden rule.
Always wash your hands.
Yalla, let's start with the ingredients. 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 can of pure organic pumpkin puree, a ½ cup of grass-fed butter or refined coconut oil, 1 large egg, 1.5 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, a ½ teaspoon of Pink's Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract, a ½ teaspoon of aluminum-free baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. For the filling we need 1 cup of organic cream cheese, 1 stick of grass-fed butter. Both the butter and the cream cheese need to be softened. 1 cup of powdered sugar or a ½ cup of organic maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract. Combine all the dry ingredients. In another bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Add the egg and the butter or the coconut oil. We prefer the butter, but both taste great. Make sure they are at room temperature.
Whisk them until yellow. Add the vanilla extract. Now gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet bowl while whisking together very well. But be careful not to overmix.
Use an ice cream scooper to scoop up at least 16 pies onto a parchment paper or a silicone mat. Now place them in the oven for 15 minutes. While it's in the oven, let's start on the filling.
Combine the room temperature butter and the cream cheese together until fluffy, then add the sugar.
You may need to use a handheld mixer to incorporate the mixture together very well. Now we are going to leave it in the fridge until cooling and harden. We are super excited to share with you a few ingredients that we are using.
The flour we're using is einkorn, all-purpose flour.
It's easy to digest and it's lower in carbs and higher in protein.
It's not bleached and it's grown organically.
The sugar we're using is sucre gold. It's a natural sugar and it's made from fruits. There's absolutely no harmful ingredients or processed ingredients, and it's really low in calories and carbs.
It tastes better than brown sugar and you can use it instead of white and brown sugar. Also, it has no aftertaste like stevia. We also use all organic and pure ingredients such as grass-fed butter,
aluminum-free baking powder, and pink Himalayan salt.
The pies are done. Make sure to let them cool down completely before adding the filling. If the pies are warm, the filling will turn into liquid.
We're using the cookie cutters to shape the pies on the right. Feel free to get creative in this step. The pies on the left are a dome shape because we did not flatten them before putting them into the oven.
These will stay fresh in the fridge for days.
Did I mention these are great fall gifts for teachers, neighbors, family members? Even my older brother takes a few with him to work. I mean, who wouldn't love a pumpkin whoopie on a chilly day? Bismillah.
We already know how these taste because we've been eating them for days.
Just look at how soft and fluffy they are. Like, this is amazing. These are a have to try. Whenever they're in the oven, they just fill up the whole house with this delicious smell. Muhammad's too busy eating over there the pumpkin whoopies, so everybody just subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell so you can get our new uploads every week, inshallah.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك بالقناة.
مع السلامة.